but to do first start since I set the valves. Oh, that's not good. Well, it still ticks. Lovely. They're all set, so I don't know why it's still doing that. Look, no smoke! No smoke! I'm trying to figure out which valve it is. But it honestly sounds like it's back here.